Alright, today I want to show you this lick that we can play on Beaumont Rag when we stop, the rhythm stops, and we are supposed to play something cool over the C chord. So again, this is happening right after the cross picking section. We go from G to C, right? And back to G. And now we have a C lick that we can play, and this is one of the coolest one that I know, and it goes like this. It sounds really off, so we need to start here. This is fret number 8, this is a C note, and we want to finish up with another C note. So, but then we play a bunch of notes that's really off, sounds really off, and I'm following this 3-note pattern, this diagonal. You see index on the last string, middle on the 5th string, and ring finger on the 4th, and I play those 3, and then I move that fingering down to the 5th, 4th, and 3rd, and then I move it down again to the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, and I move it down one more time to the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st, and then I finish up with a C note, super slowly. Okay, and I'm playing down, up, all the way through. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is the lick. You can move the lick to different chords. Just remember that you need to start with the root of the chord on the last string. For example, if you want to move the lick to the G chord, you will need to start here at the 3rd fret. This is a G note, and that works over a G chord. So this is a movable lick, no open strings. It's tricky. I mean, it's tricky for the right hand to play this up to speed, but it's a cool lick, and so have fun with this, and let me know in the comments if you can think of another song where you can play this type of lick, write the title of the song in the comments. Alright, so I think that's all for today, and if you enjoyed the lesson, give it a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I've got more tips and video lessons like this over at Fire. I have an instructional channel there. It's called Flatpicking Experience. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.